के बस इतना कहने आए हैं। शुक्रिया पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान शुक्रिया मुस्कुरा पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान मुस्कुरा।
Today, we had a session with DGI-SPR in which the young, energetic students participated enthusiastically. What we learned today is that trust the trustees because they are your real beneficiaries.
One breaking news headline, and suddenly people's opinions form in several minutes. I genuinely find it so interesting how media can boost national morale and unify people, but at the same time, it can also spread so much fear and misinformation.
The media we watch is able to influence masses as the citizens of this country. We should validate the information first we receive.
Today we had a session with ISPR on hybrid warfare. It was a very informative and a very good session. The entire society should be a part of this thing, and we should stand against especially the misinformation on social media as a complete nation.
कौमों की इस्लाह नौजवानों की इस्लाह के बगैर मुमकिन नहीं। इकबाल ने नौजवानों के लिए कहा था कि दयारे इश्क में अपना मुकाम पैदा कर, नया जमाना नए सुबह शाम पैदा कर।
The future of Pakistan is not only protected by the armed forces, but it is protected when we all are united. Because when we defend Pakistan, we defend the truth. We are all one, we are all united. Pakistan Zindabad, Pak Army Pindabad.
Hybrid warfare is not just about missiles and tanks. Rather, it is fought through mass media, it is fought through hashtags and false narratives. And during the recent Indo-Pak conflict, we saw how mass media platforms turned into battlefields where information traveled faster than facts and perceptions were made in seconds.